Hello friends, welcome back to Grand Cooking. Today we'll be showing you how to make rice roti. Let's get started. Take 500 grams of rice flour and add finely chopped carrots, cucumbers, coconut, onions, coriander leaves, green chilies, ginger, curry leaves, white sesame seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek leaves, add salt to taste, add 2 teaspoons of oil and mix it all together. Add water and form the mixture into a dough. Cover and rest it aside for 15 to 30 minutes. You can use a butter sheet to flatten the dough and shift it to a pan. Or if you want to follow the way it's done in the video, you have to use 2 pans at least. Because when you're flattening the dough directly on the pan should be at room temperature. So you basically use 1 pan at a time. Turn and keep frying the roti until the roti turns into a dark yellow and golden brown. Friends, are we lacking in our efforts? Because this being our 28th video, we still have only 14 subscribers. So please recognize our efforts by subscribing. Friends, I request you to try this recipe because it's loaded with a lot of veggies and it's good for everyone's health. Please make sure to share, like and comment. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.